Most of you might not know the importance of this red application you are seeing on your screen, Pinterest. You might not know the importance of it, but this is a place you can find inspiration to create any kind of design of your choice. Let's dive into it and let me take you around it. This is my channel. It is the channel I started some months ago, and look at the number of followers I have gotten. All right, so I wish you can follow me in this Pinterest. Okay, so most designers don't know how to use this Pinterest. Some of you might want to make some certain designs and you don't know where to get it, or some of you that want to self learn yourself. All right, you want to learn some particular things yourself and you don't have money to get into any tutorial. You might just come here, search for any kind of design that you wish to replicate. All right, let's check something like birthday flyer. All right, so we have birthday flyer design. Let's search. Yeah, quite number of flyer design, as you can see. This, and this. Pinterest also went as far as giving you already made templates. All right, like this one you're seeing here now. This one you're seeing here now. It was probably designed by this user here, Destiny James. All right, let's click on it and see what he has there. Can you see this? You can just insert this on your template in Pixel Lab or any other places you can use to make your own design, and probably add your images and resources. Okay, so if you want to get any source of inspiration as a graphic designer, Pinterest is the #1 place for you to come and search your need. All right, can you come here, search your need? You can see all these birthday flyers from different creators. Okay, you can see this one is really amazing. This one is really amazing because the owner of this design really killed it. Because first of all, to design like a professional, you need to know what is called photo editing. But that one I am going to be teaching you in another tutorial, not this one. That one is going to be another tutorial. All right, these pictures are really amazing because the designer did well. So down to other designers, look at this one. Happy birthday, Sonia. This design is really nice. All right, so if you want to learn how to create these wonderful kinds of design, you have to indicate in the comment section and I will take you through a birthday design. Yes, I'll take you through a birthday, simple birthday flyer design, ranging from your Pixel Lab, your PSCC, and probably a photo editing app like Lightroom and Snapseed. All right, so see you in my next video, and please do well to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.